We're back on the Mark II channel and look where we are, Topaz. We're picking off where we left off from. Just look how cool this is. First, we need to do this. Hard work beats talent in the Topaz arena. We're picking up the Murcielago, which has had a full PPF going over by the lads. It's 100% well worth it, this, and it was worth the wait. I'm absolutely buzzing for it. So what exactly been done? We've got a full PPF. This £11,000 windscreen from Lamborghini, which is an actual genuine one. I wanted to protect that, so they've actually like PPF the windscreen as well. So no stone chips are going to go on there, and hopefully it'll protect it from big rocks and stuff. But we'll see. We're going to test it out, hopefully on the Nürburgring again. Black PPF on the wing mirrors. All this have been gloss PPF. Sensational. So everything now is covered by like a plastic film. It looks absolutely unreal. It looks like it's been painted again, but way more glossier. So this is exactly what we're doing. It's a perfect thing. It's basically a massive screen protector for your car, and it's wet applied, like it's literally soaking in here. It's like a swimming pool. You think wrapping's hard? This is next level because it's proper thick stuff. These guys have got all this stuff on the Topaz shop, which is all like glass cleaner, quick detailer, wheel cleaner. So you can get your car, maybe not as clean as this, but you could try. And they're giving you guys a discount as well, which is MAP15. So you can go check that out with the link in the description as well, just to help you guys out as well. I know the winter months are bad and we want to keep our cars protected. So it is the day after we picked up the wheels for the McLaren, and it's had that little hiccup slash fire slash smoke. We think we may have found the issue, but the original plan was to drop this off at the body shop because they have got to polish it all, because this paint is still flat, because they couldn't polish it off the car. It looks absolutely unreal. I'm buzzing with it. I wasn't too sure about the wheels yesterday. Now I'm confident on them. The wheels look crazy. I'm still don't know whether to go white with this lip here just to make the wheel look a bit bigger, but I don't know whether that'll kill it. I'm not too sure. I think I love it. I absolutely love it. First time I'm seeing it in the light as well, and that angle, it literally looks like a spaceship. So to the body shop. I think on the main channel we're going to suss out the engine issue. It's going to be a big job, but again the car still isn't 100% finished. Let's get to the body shop. We're at the body shop, but they're not getting any promotion because I don't want them to get busy and not do my cars. But look at it. It is, on a second take, this car looks absolutely nuts. But now the lads are gonna mop it all up, get it shiny. They're gonna put all the seals in from there. Definitely. But it looks absolutely nuts. And then it's on to fixing the rest of the faults. But here it stays for when we go to America, which is the next clip. Now we're getting on the plane to Florida. Yes! America! Yeah! We're in America, if you haven't noticed. The first stop is always Chick-fil-A with the unnecessarily big portion size. We're in.
What's the size of my hand?
Oh, it's good. It's good to be back. We've just got here in Freddie's second workshop. All the lads are here. This could be the biggest moment and the shortest video you'll ever see. We just want to see if it actually starts.
We flew all this way here.
Can you imagine if it just decides to start now? If it starts, people are going to think we made it up.
Come on, car.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
It can't start. No, it wasn't a dream.
Okay.
It wasn't a dream. Damn!
Look, they've literally damaged the Porsche again.
What we crashed into this time?
That was a SEMA like that. We brought it.
Yeah, yes. Oh, it was
You
like
see
that,
it?
yeah.
But
And
this
there's
was-
dead
Oh, yeah,
here.
what is that?
Yeah.
Oh, is it? Why is there a
It's a
perfect circle?
It's a license plate.
He said it was a
They backed into it.
Another Porsche hit into it.
Yeah, the older Porsches.
This,
So, look
this
at
car's
this.
cursed.
You know how like the old 911s have
Oh, yeah,
like
there's like
bumpers on the rear bumper? I
Yeah.
think that's what this is. There's a straight line
Oh
right here,
my god,
and
this
then just
poor
to the side,
car.
there's marks.
No way.
Cursed.
You know why we're doing this, right? So that you can come back and fix it.
Yeah.
We actually misses you being here. So. You can see we added that. Just
I
for
seen
you.
Freddie. Yeah, I seen Freddie had a little mishap there, but we'll let Freddie off.
Crash damaged.
Still looks good. Here is Jack's Evo, which he is daily in now, but obviously we've come here for the RS6 to finish it and fix it. We're not going to show you that in this video. You're going to have to watch the main channel video for that. But there is a new array of cars in Freddie's workshop. RX-8 with some absolute wild body kit on, but it doesn't start. More cars in, more cars in. The P1, you would have seen that in Freddie's video, and the array of wiring. And Jack is at the back on the Aston.
How's it going?
Ferrari's over there done, the McLaren's over there done. Freddie's slowly getting through all of the cars. The Gallardo's still up the top. Not sure what's going on with that, we'll have to ask Freddie. Freddie is at home, he's been editing till 6 in the morning, went to sleep and then got up at 7. So yeah, he's dead at the minute. So rest in peace Freddie at the minute. This is our whip whilst we're here, the Focus RS. And this is Freddie's new shop, or second shop. A lot of cars in here. Rex's Mark IV Supra. Technically, this has become our shop now. We've been using this ramp. Freddie is we've been over here so much now. Freddie has lent us this ramp. And outside, there's loads more ramps which have just arrived. He's going absolutely crazy with it, but Freddie has got a lot of cars. Freddie is behind us in the 675 LT, and we're cruising to a car meet, which is actually a quarter-mile drag strip races as well. So more drag racing for the RS6. We know it's a good car now. We know it's a good car. I don't think it'll be the 675 LT though, but no, it won't. It won't be anywhere near it. Listen, listen.
Pop it back.
Freddie's having a photo and this guy's got his lens cap on. He goes,
There you go, mate. That's how you use the camera. Japanese v German.
Of course it's Japanese.
Oh,
Of course it's Japanese.
this is going to be a close one.
So I hear you want to race.
well, it's Supercar Killer versus Supercar Killer now, isn't it? Jack built this one. We kind of built ours multiple times.
Oh, Jack, wasn't it?
That was well good.
Well good.
Oh, this is so close! Oh, he's missed again! Yes! I missed! I had him! I had him!
Off the line, it was neck and neck.
It was neck and neck the whole way down. He missed 4th gear. I don't know how you can miss 4th gear. You go from 3rd to 4th, but I mean, I'm in a DSG. I can't say anything.
You're not even in automatic.
No. I'm just literally just driving it. So, but that was so close. I had everything. I was like this. Come on.
Aero.
It was so close.
I feel like this is the sound of something that comes from like Fast and the Furious, but I almost had him.
Yeah,
I
that
almost
that
had
does
him.
sound like Fast and Furious, yeah.
But it was because I missed 4th, 100%.
How do you miss 4th? It's just...
Listen,
Not yet. How did you miss?
4th?
for the like... Shut up, both of you.
There we go. Come on. Let's go. It's the start. It's the start where we're gonna get them. This has got so much grip. The Audi Quattro system, banging. It's a good job. Jack's bought that book with him.
What book?
That book of excuses.
Ah!
Like it.
Do you want to go to Audi? It's just down the road.
What do you mean? Why would we go to Audi?
You want a German car?
No, absolutely
No.
not. Come on, man. Come on, man.
Rivalry. Audi versus Mercedes. C63S versus Audi Rs6. Rear wheel drive, 4-wheel drive. You could pick the kids up from school in that, so could I. I could fit the dog in the back, so could he. Which one's going to be faster at getting the kids home? Got a feeling we're going to get off the line way better than he's going to get off the line. But we'll see. Oh, we've left it. We've left it. It's embarrassing.
Oh, come on. Oh man, we slipped a lot.
So I think that is a prime example of four-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive. The C63 could not put its power down at all.
Audi.
Let's go again.
You want to go again?
Let's go again.
Going again.
I got 10 traction control settings here. We're gonna try all 10 of them if that's what it takes. So.
That's a better start for the C63.
Man, if I could get traction off the line, it would be a little closer, but I don't think I can do anything with that.
It can't do donuts.
Go on then, Shane.
I'm gonna try a better go.
Show us how it's done.
I turned around then, I was like, oh, traction came off, and then it went left, and there was so much weight transfer on the car.
So when you're trying to get rollers, you normally use a drone. This is our drone. This is a big drone.
Yeah, big drone.
Yeah. What do you think of our new whip?
Walk out, hop in the plane.
It's pretty cool, but it's small.
Are you going to be the captain? Are you going to fly?
If you let me.
I'm not going in this if you're flying.
Why not?
Because you'll be
You're
flying.
saying you don't trust me.
I'm not saying that. I don't trust you.
There's coppers in the tunnel. There's coppers
Yeah,
in the
full
tunnel.
sound, it'll be fine. Now the question is to do it or not. You're the grown-up one in this situation. What should we do?
Yeah, just be noisy under there.
Yeah! The police are going to think we're shooting at them. Oh no.
Yeah, if the police get the guns out when we go past.
We can't do that, mother, please. We've been pulled over. How fast were we going?
70. You alright?
Oh, you on this side?
Yeah.
I'm doing 96 back there, okay? How many horsepower you have on this thing?
Like 650 wheel horsepower, yeah. He's quite cool.
Yeah, he's sound. He likes the car, I think.
Yeah. I don't know what the verdict's going to be. It could be anything now. Are we going prison?
Could it be me driving back?
Yeah. Do you know when it's an open road in this car, it doesn't, like 90 feels like 30.
I usually tell people just follow the flow of traffic. Speed limit here is 70.
Yeah.
96 is a little bit, too much.
Yeah. Oh, 100%, yeah.
Traffic here, 80, 83, that's the traffic, the flow of traffic here.
Okay.
Just take it easy on the road. You
Thanks
guys
so
have a
much.
good night, all right?
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Cheers,
Sure, man.
What a guy.
What a guy.
That's why we like Florida. If you were doing 97 in the UK, you better bend over.
Yeah. You're supposed to tell him off. You're supposed to go, son.
He's too old for that.
And when do you hear a copper go, oh, the speed limit's 70, but 80, 83? This is it. Rs6 at the airport, and Mike is driving the Rs6 back to Freddie's workshop. The car is only allowed to stay here for 1 year. We're gonna make sure we use all of that year because I think we're gonna be coming back. Another car. Goodbye, Rs6. Goodbye. Back home.